Hello, Tejasvi. Now I am going to take a lecture of satellite communication, in which I will explain all the literature regarding your satellite communication. And in that satellite communication subject, we will discuss introduction, application of satellite, frequency application of satellite, types of orbit, examples, and basics. Now, satellites orbit around the Earth depending upon the application. These orbits can be circular or elliptical. Means whenever you study satellite communication, then you have two types of applications. In case of orbits, that can be circular or orbital, isn't it? So, application of satellite is weather forecasting, radio TV broadcast, military satellite, navigation, global telephone communication, global mobile communication. So, in case of satellite communication, you see we require transmitter and receiver. From the transmitter section, we will send a signal, and at the receiver section, we will receive a in the receiver section, we will get the receiver point. So in transmitter to receiver, yes, yes. So in case of the receiver section, it is when you transmit a signal in case of satellite communication, then you see in case of satellite communication, in case of mobile systems, if the signal is transmitting, if we have to establish call from transmitter side, then you can see that you have to send the signal from transmitter, and at the receiver section we will get the receiving section, and from transmitter we have to require transponder, and then the responder will all the advantages. So this is just like everything that you constitute in the system manufacturing. And in case of global positioning system, in case of GPS global position system, you require, in case of global positioning system, then you require GPS, and where you have to transmit the data, and in the receiver section you will get, in the receiving section you will get the information. So in case of mobile communication, nowadays we cannot live without the mobiles. So mobile system is required everywhere. Okay, and that is established with the help of, you can say that, system applications. And you see, whenever you start the basic details, then you have to know about all the applications, where in case of military application, these satellites are often used for gathering intelligence, and the communication satellite used for military purposes. And in case of frequency allocation for satellite, we require fixed satellite service, broadcasting service, mobile satellite service, and navigation satellite service. So types of satellite. There are two types of satellite: geostationary, and the second one is low Earth orbit satellite, and third one is the medium orbit satellite. So all these satellites, geostationary orbit satellite and medium satellite application, we have so many things to understand, and all these applications have certain benefits, and you have to understand the system applications. You transpond the system from transmitter side, and you will see the signal at the receiving side. So you have these orbits. If you understand the orbits, definitely you will come to know that these orbits are very much advantageous, and the system applications are easy to enhance the system capabilities. So after that, in case of satellite communication, once once you study all these types, then at the same time you have examples. The examples are Intelsat, International Telecommunication Satellite, over 140 members, more than 40 investigating um, entities, early bird satellite, and geostationary orbit. And this geostationary I will cover three areas: Atlantic Ocean region, Indian Ocean region, Pacific Ocean region. So you understand that whenever you study this application in different forms, then you have to handle these kind of information and it will constitute your application of the system. So these kind of applications are always, you can say that, are always studied so that we have to enhance the capability of the system. So this is very much important to see the advantages and disadvantages of satellite. So without satellite, you see, in our homes, we use TV telecast broadcast. In this system, we have to transmit the signal, and at the same time, you have to receive the signal. So how you will transmit the signal and receive the signal? With the help of transponders. And these transponders will transmit the signal from transmitting section, and from this transmitting section, first of all we have to convert the signal from analog to digital form, and from when the analog to digital form conversion is done, then we transmit the signal to filters. Filter will low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter. So many filters are there depending upon the requirement. We use that kind of filter, and every filter have the very important advantages. And once the signal will pass through this, you can say that system, it will automatically convert the signal with high frequency, and that signal will attain the frequencies. Okay.